Good morning, Chamberlain future nurses. This is Jan Snow, the president of the Addison campus. Today is National Constitution and Citizenship Day. It's a day that schools all over the country are offering information about the Constitution, a refresher for you, new information for young school children. I'm honored to be able to present the preamble to the Constitution. It's something that's very much a part of Constitution Day. So here we go. We, the people of the United States of America, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of the liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Enjoy the day and do spend a little time getting into the history of our country, particularly our Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you, President Snow, for that preamble reading. Hi, my name is Crystal, and welcome to Did You Know? Did you know the preamble isn't an actual law or legal document? It is, in fact, a brief introduction of the fundamental purpose and guiding principles of the U.S. Constitution. Did you know that our nation is currently conducting the census? The census is a requirement by the U.S. Constitution just once every 10 years. The information collected will decide how $65 billion in federal funds are distributed annually until the next census in 2030. Finally, did you know that on February 3rd, 2020, America celebrated 150 years of the 15th Amendment? This prohibited the government and each state from denying a citizen the right to vote based on citizenship, race, color, or previous condition of servitude. 100th anniversary of the 19th Amendment, which gave women the right to vote, and the 55th anniversary of the 1965 Voting Rights Act, which cemented voting rights for Black citizens. Elections are very important, so vote. Your vote is your voice.
Thank you, Crystal, for that information. Guys, as we all know, it's very important to vote. It's one of our constitutional rights. Now, a couple of things for you guys to know. If you don't know where to vote or how to register or what to do, check out vote.org. Vote.org is full of useful information that can help you be the voter that you are. Make sure that you also are doing informed voting. Make sure you're checking out all the ballots and candidates and doing your part. Now, in the state of Illinois, there are a couple of things you need to know. So, voter deadlines. Make sure that if you are voting in person, that it is 27 days before the election. If you're voting by mail, 28 days has to be postmarked before the election, and if you're voting online, it has to be 16 days before the election. Some fun facts you may not know. If you go to renew your license, you can go ahead and register to vote at your new address right there at the DMV. If not, you can go to vote.org or to your Illinois state website and go ahead and register to vote there. Great stuff. Make sure that you do have a valid ID at the time when you are going to vote. You do need identification in order to vote. If you are doing an absentee ballot, make sure that if you're doing it in person, it is 1 day before the election. If you're doing it by mail, it's received 5 days before the election. And if you're doing it online, it is also 5 days before the election. Check out the website vote.org to see any information on how to obtain your absentee ballot. I also did go ahead and attach, a pamphlet. Make sure you are checking that so that we can get everything situated. Voting is a very important thing, and it is very important that you go out and make your voice heard. I'll leave you guys with a vote by Gloria Steinem. We must not only vote, but fight to vote. The voting booth is really one place on earth where the least powerful equals the power. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful Constitution Day.